I wonder what would happen if you put a Rice Krispie treat in the microwave. Well, let's see. This is the beginning of the Rice Krispie treat, just how it's in regular form. We start it for 30 seconds to keep it in the microwave to produce the heat to it. This is what it looks like after 30 seconds. A little bit melted, but not a ton. It's a little bit melted, but not a ton, but anyway. I don't know. As you can see, it's kind of hot, but it's still pretty melty. Let's put it in for another 30 seconds, and let's see what happens. After 30 seconds, this is what happens. It's completely reduced down to like a pancake form, but it's like so crispy and everything. It's like not crispy anymore. The color changed, and when you moved it, it's really easy to move. It melted down into its original form, into the Rice Krispie treat, but it's still staying sticky. After letting it sit for about 8 minutes, it's completely hardened now. And it's not really its original form anymore, except for a completely hardened, changed color, and tastes a lot different because I tasted it. So this is a wax cube. Now I will show you what will happen when you put the wax into a container, put electricity through the cord into a light bulb, and have the light bulb produce heat to the wax. This is after letting it sit for 8 minutes. It's mostly melted down because of the heat around. The electricity pushes to the light bulb, which produces the heat to make to melt the wax, and now it's mostly melted. After 8 minutes, which is not long, 60 minutes in total, the wax is mainly completely melted. There's just a little bit left, like a mini iceberg, but the wax is mostly completely melted. That shows how much heat from a light bulb can melt in pretty fast. After 22 minutes, it is completely melted into just pumpkin-smelling wax, because that's its scent. Once you do turn off the heat, the wax will cool down and make the shape of the container that it was in.